Let's see how to insert Upsilon symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are two ways that you can insert your Upsilon symbol in Microsoft Word. First off is by using the equation feature in Microsoft Word. Now, click on the Insert tab and click on this pi symbol right here, and that should open an equation field within your document. Now, to look for the Upsilon symbol, it is denoted by a letter Y. So make sure that you set it to Greek letters, since Upsilon is a Greek letter. And look for the letter Y right here. And when you click it, that should automatically insert into your document. Now, you can also manually type it in by typing backslash Upsilon, and that should also transform into that symbol. Now, what you can also do is insert it as a symbol by clicking on more symbols right here. Now, make sure that you are in the Greek and Coptic subset and simply look for the same symbol. It should be this one right here. You can also manually type in the code 03C5 and click Alt X on your keyboard, and that should also transform into the same symbol. And that is how you can insert the Upsilon symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.